Upscale Decor L-shaped corner computer gaming desk with drawers storage modern wood study workstation table for small space home office, dark brown. Maximize your home office space. This L-shaped computer desk overall dimension is 58.75 liters times 58.75 watts times 30.25 H. Desktop of the large computer desk is 20 wide. With the wide desktop, you will have plenty of surface space for writing, gaming, working or reading. You can put 2 to 3 monitors, printer, books, papers, documents and small plants on the spacious desktop. Super study, well-designed modern office desk looks classical and elegant. The sturdy structure of the corner computer desk can last longer time. It must be a perfect supplement in your home and office. Also, the L-shaped design can make the full of your room. It is spacing saving, easy switch of the 2 sides as your habit make your office activities more efficient. Multi-purpose and free file folder included, integrated 4-port USB hub, and a desk cord organizer has built on the desktop of the study desk, which help to connect your electronic device and manage your computer's cables. The file drawer glides smooth on full extension ball bearing slides, so you can easily reach letters, books or A4 size files. In addition, we send a free file folder to match with it. Ample storage space. This L-shaped gaming PC desk is equipped with ample storage space. The cabinet features stylish fluted glass door, provide big enough space. Diversified drawers are decorated with high-quality handles, looks beautiful and can fit many kinds of our house office supplies nicely. Easy to assemble and easy to clean. All parts, tools and instructions are included. Besides, this room desk is made of textured surface. It is anti-scratch, waterproof and easy to be cleaned by wet rag. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.